Hello viewers, and welcome to our channel, 5 Best Pick. When buying any products, it can be challenging to find the most value for money item. To make your purchase decision easier, in this video we picked only the best tools by comparing hundreds of products based on a few criteria and ranked them. For example, features of the product, manufacturer's reputation, value for money, and most importantly, user feedback. If you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best product. Please do check the product link in the description box below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to enjoy more awesome contents like this. So, without any delay, let's get started.
Our number one pick is Loft Discs Hydrogen Disc Golf Putter. It is extremely durable and grippy but with a very smooth and beautiful appearance. Beta is stiffer, better for putting, and beats in faster. Glow is similar to Alpha, but with added Gamma Glow effect. Loft Discs has designed the world's straightest disc golf putter. They have used a combination of disc golf experience and thousands of hours of computer modeling to create the perfect straight flyer. Straight as an arrow, slow and reliable, the Loft Hydrogen is just what you need for your approach game or short drives off the tee. A slow flight makes for easy controllability, and allows you to throw straight with ease. Alpha Plastic is Loft's premium plastic. Supernova is also close to Alpha, but is super swirly and beautiful. Our second best disc golf putters is MVP Disc Golf Putter. The Nomad is a neutral flyer with a straight finish inside circle. Expect to see some fade from circle 2 and out. MVP's high-tech baseline material for superb grip and feel in all weather conditions. Designed to wear slowly with use, providing an added glide and neutral flight with wear. This disc has medium stiffness and comes in a variety of colors. With a rounded edge, the putter has a small bead that gives it a neutral flight that will have plenty of glide. The rubber that is edged along the putter is fairly hard, but it won't stick to your hands when you're trying to throw it, and it won't bounce much either. If you're used to throwing with the soft discs that many people seem to like, you'll have a bit of a learning curve with this because it is a little slicker. Third in our list is Dynamic Discs Prime Golf Putter. The Dynamic Discs Prime Burst Judge is a fantastic throwing disc golf putter. This disc golf putter will fly straight while combining the ability to handle high speeds without fading. Incredibly predictable in flying and hitting the chains. You can expect the Prime Burst Judge to provide a reliable and predictable flight with enough glide to be thrown off of the disc golf tee pad and enough stability to fight winds. Dynamic Discs Prime Burst Plastic features an incredible feel, grip, and price. Prime Plastic will have an incredible feel and excellent grip even when the weather compromises your hold on your favorite disc. Dynamic Discs strives to bring a product to market that is affordable for beginners looking to test the waters in disc golf. Disc shade may vary from the image. Number 4 in our best disc golf putters list is Dynamic Discs Prime Warden Putter. The Dynamic Discs Prime Warden is a beadless putter that feels great in the hands as well as out of the hand on any release, whether you're putting or looking for a clean approach to the basket. The Dynamic Discs Prime Warden features an extremely smooth release and neutral flight. The Warden will come out of your hand easily and fly dead straight to the chains. The Dynamic Discs Warden is the featured disc golf putter of many touring professionals. The incredible predictability for any shot off of the tee and perfect glide for putts inside and outside of the circle make it a staple in many disc golf bags. Dynamic Discs Prime Plastic will have an incredible feel and excellent grip even when the weather will compromise your hold on your favorite disc. These are all secondary benefits to this incredible line of discs. Our guiding intention was to bring a product to market that was affordable for beginners looking to test the waters. Our last pick is Prodigy Disc Ace Line Basegrip Golf Putter. The glide makes it a great putter, as it stays in the air to find chains from short and longer distances. It also has a soft fade, so you can trust it is going to finish toward the basket. We are confident Basegrip glow discs are some of the most unique glow options out there. See for yourself. Once these are charged, you will get a powerful, bright glow like no other. With a slimmer profile and small bead on the rim, it feels great in the hand and offers a consistent, clean release for drives, approaches, and putts. The glide makes it a great putter, as it stays in the air to find chains from short and longer distances. It also has a soft fade, so you can trust it is going to finish toward the basket. Its comfortable grip, impressive glide, and reliability will make it an instant favorite.
Thanks for watching this video. Beside top-rated product video, we randomly provide special Amazon discount offer. So, please subscribe 5 Best Pick to get more product deal and videos on your feed. You can also check below description for updated best product link and price. Happy shopping!